For this, basically you have to download one app from the Play Store which is called as Preferences Manager. Once you install the app, open the app and search for your YouTube application. Sometimes YouTube might not be shown, so you have to enable it from Show All System Apps option. After granting superuser permission, search for YouTube. As you can see here, you will find your YouTube file. Open it. Open the file. Click on the plus icon on the extreme right corner and select begin format. After doing it, just add the value exactly the way I am adding it. Once you have finished adding the files, exit the application. After that, go in settings, under applications select YouTube and force stop the YouTube application. Once you are done with it, just go in applications and open YouTube again. So here is your YouTube dark mode enabled on Android. Yes, it requires root, but yes, it's one of the more convenient way to get a black mode on YouTube application. Google is developing YouTube black mode for all Android, but still it's not out for all Android versions. So this is the trick: you can get AMOLED, or you can say dark mode on YouTube application. That's it for this video. See you guys in the next one.